we're scanning a golf wedge. We're utilizing our 2618 and our 2640. The unique part about LMI is that we do a really great job at synchronizing two different sensors with two different field of views that are actually offset from each other. Today we're showcasing our 6 DoF alignment, which is unique to LMI. We are scanning a truncated pyramid. Using the dimensions of this highly machined part, we can stitch and correlate the two coordinate systems of each camera and pull in both streams of data and then combine them to a single stream, and then utilize some of our surface and 3D tools to analyze the golf wedge. What we're measuring is the diameter of the golf shaft. From that, we take some geometric planes and lines from it, and then we're actually measuring the loft angle of the club, as well as we're looking for defects in the surface of the wedge. We can see the machined lines in the point cloud. So we're taking a groove measurement of how deep the grooves are. We're also showcasing our HDR. It's unique to our 2600 series, where we can run at a lower exposure and extract more light out of our imager. The unique part about this application is the 2618 is really focused on this reflective shaft, and its main focus is to capture as much of the shaft as possible. And then our 2640, its main focus is to capture the entire golf head and get as much data possible back to that imager to assemble a really nice surface together. All of this is done on our browser-based software. We're running a PC instance of GoPixel. Through this instance, we can connect to things like PLCs or robots to then feed our measurements downstream to the next process, or even a Q&A or historical measurements. This can be saved locally to the computer. We can also set up an FTP somewhere and dump those images or dump those surfaces in a remote location. So anytime you manufacture or assemble something, you're gonna have parts that vary, whether it's a machining process, whether it's a gluing process or assembly process. LMI can help assist find where that variation's coming from or where those defects are coming from, and also help guarantee that your customer is getting the best product. Figuring out which sensor or what product will give you the best success is where my team comes in. We can help narrow down figuring out which series, which field of view, what setup we need to accomplish your goals. We can do pre-sales testing. We also can provide support after a sale, so we can sell a service to come and assist you or remotely support you. At LMI, we have multiple offices through North America and Canada, the United States, and Mexico. My team is spread around North America, and we would love to test your different samples of products or things that you're struggling with. So please reach out to our sales team or our FAE team, and we'd be happy to assist you here at LMI Technologies.